Hello everyone, we are VJS Saw Industry Technology Jiangsu Limited, and a vibrant day has officially begun. Let's turn our camera to the workshop, where our workers are already busy at their respective tasks. Before coating the saw blades, they must be neatly arranged on the coating rack, and the coating machine must be kept clean and tidy. Every step is meticulous and rigorous. That all to produce high-quality saw blades. This is our gear grinding workshop, where our workers are carefully measuring and precisely checking the dimensions of the dull saw blades, meticulously grinding every detail.